In today's video, I'll show you how to add a drop shadow to a Canva frame to give your designs depth and make them pop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Start by opening your Canva design. On the left hand menu, click Elements and then go to Frames. Pick the frame that suits your design and add it to the canvas. Next, head to Uploads and bring in your image, dragging it into the frame so it fits perfectly. Here's the trick. Canva doesn't directly allow drop shadows on frames, so we'll use a simple workaround. Click Share at the top right, select Download, choose PNG and check Transparent Background. Hit Download, then upload the image back to Canva. Now, click on the image and go to Edit Image at the top. Choose Shadows and select Drop. From here, adjust the blur, angle, distance, color and intensity sliders until your shadow looks perfect. And there you have it, a clean customizable drop shadow that adds instant depth to your Canva frames. Thanks for watching and happy designing.